Before your heart shows trouble, before your memory slips, your legs are already sending a warning. Maybe you've noticed it yourself. Climbing stairs feels harder than it used to. Standing up from a chair takes more effort, or walking for even a short distance leaves your legs heavy and tired. These aren't just signs of aging. Read the first signals that your muscles are quietly weakening. And the truth is, this is one of the earliest indicators that your overall health is at risk. What most people don't realize is that you can act on it now, using something as simple as the food you eat to rebuild strength and prevent further decline. I want you to think about the last time you felt truly steady on your feet. The last time you walked without hesitation, without bracing yourself on a railing or holding someone's arm for support. That ease of movement isn't something reserved for the past, can be restored. The key is understanding which foods actively signal your body to maintain muscle, improve circulation, and protect your joints. Tonight, I'm going to walk you through 6 powerful foods that seniors over 60 can incorporate into their daily meals to strengthen their legs faster than you might think. Each one has a unique role, and together, they form a foundation for real, lasting leg strength. But before we get to the foods, I need to emphasize something most people overlook. Leg weakness isn't just inconvenient. It's a predictor of your independence. When your leg muscles lose strength, your balance is compromised. Simple activities, standing from a chair, walking to the mailbox, climbing stairs, become risky. The weaker your legs get, the higher the chance of falls, injuries, and loss of autonomy. By targeting these muscles with the right nutrition, you're not just building strength, you're protecting your ability to live freely, confidently, and actively. Now, let us start with the first food, one that might surprise you, because it is something many people underestimate. This simple, affordable food has compounds that not only nourish your muscles, but also enhance blood flow to your lower limbs. You might think it's just another common vegetable, but studies show it has a direct effect on nitric oxide production in the blood, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to fatigued muscles. Including this in your meals consistently can help your legs recover faster after daily activity and even reduce that heavy, tired feeling you might experience by the evening. The second food takes a slightly different approach. While the first boosts circulation, this one directly supplies your muscles with the building blocks they need to repair and grow. As we age, our body's ability to synthesize protein efficiently decreases. That's why it's critical to choose foods rich in high-quality, easily digestible protein. This food isn't exotic or expensive. In fact, you might already have it in your kitchen. When eaten in the right portions, especially later in the day, it fuels overnight muscle recovery, helping your legs remain firm and strong when you wake up. Moving on to the third food, this one has a dual role. It contains minerals that support bone strength, and it also has anti-inflammatory compounds that protect your joints from the subtle wear and tear. That accumulates over decades. You may not notice inflammation until it's causing stiffness or pain, but your muscles and joints are silently reacting to each movement. By regularly including this food in your diet, you're addressing both muscle integrity and joint mobility simultaneously. Over weeks, many seniors report smoother movement, less stiffness, and the ability to stand or climb stairs with greater ease. The fourth food focuses on endurance. You can build strength, but without endurance, your legs will tire quickly, leaving you hesitant to walk, climb, or exercise. This particular food contains nutrients that enhance mitochondrial efficiency, the energy factories inside your muscle cells. Better mitochondrial function means your legs can sustain activity longer without fatigue. It's fascinating because the impact is almost immediate. Even a small portion in your daily diet can reduce that burning sensation in your calves after walking or climbing stairs. The fifth food is a little different. It's rich in antioxidants, which might sound more like a heart or brain benefit, but in reality, antioxidants are essential for preventing the microscopic damage that accumulates in muscles over time. When muscle fibers experience oxidative stress, recovery slows, strength diminishes, and the risk of fatigue increases. Regular intake of this food helps neutralize free radicals, ensuring that your leg muscles remain resilient and capable. Seniors who include it consistently often notice they can walk further and feel less soreness after routine activities. Finally, the sixth food rounds out the group by targeting balance and coordination. Many people focus on raw strength, but overlook proprioception, the body's ability to sense its position in space. Strong, well-nourished muscles alone aren't T enough if your legs aren't T coordinating properly with your nervous system. This food contains nutrients that support nerve function and communication between muscles and the brain. When incorporated into your diet, it can improve reaction time and stability, reducing the risk of stumbling or minor falls. By now, you can see that these 6 foods aren't just random choices. They form a comprehensive system for leg health. Each targets a different aspect of muscle performance: circulation, protein synthesis, joint protection, endurance, oxidative stress, and neuromuscular coordination. Taken together, they give your legs the tools they need to rebuild strength, maintain independence, and enhance daily mobility. Even more importantly, these foods are practical and accessible. They don't require expensive supplements, complicated meal prep, or extreme diets. With consistent, thoughtful inclusion in your meals, you can start noticing small improvements in energy, stability, and overall leg performance within weeks. And as these changes accumulate, your confidence in walking, climbing stairs, and moving freely grows exponentially. Let's dive deeper into the first food. Think about a leafy green that often sits quietly in salads or soups, almost unassuming, yet holds a powerful secret. This vegetable is packed with compounds that improve blood flow to your lower limbs. Imagine your legs as a garden. If the soil isn't rich and water doesn't reach every root, the plants weaken. Similarly, your muscles need oxygen and nutrients delivered efficiently through your blood to remain strong. When you include this green in your diet regularly, it helps widen the tiny blood vessels in your legs, allowing more oxygen to reach fatigued muscles and signaling them to repair and grow. Many seniors report that after just a few weeks, climbing a flight of stairs feels smoother, and standing from a low chair doesn't require that sudden burst of effort it once did. Now consider the second food. Protein is the building block of muscle, but not all proteins are created equal. This particular food provides high-quality protein in a form your body can use efficiently, especially important for those over 60. As we age, the body's ability to synthesize protein decreases. Even if you eat plenty of protein during the day, your muscles might not be absorbing it effectively. Eating this protein-rich food before bed allows your body to perform overnight repair. During sleep, muscles undergo the most recovery, and having the right nutrients available ensures that repair is not just maintained but optimized. This one simple habit can make a remarkable difference in muscle tone and strength in a matter of weeks. The third food works in synergy with the first two, focusing on joint support and inflammation reduction. You may not notice mild inflammation until it starts affecting movement, but your muscles and joints are constantly reacting to small stresses. This food contains minerals like calcium and magnesium, essential for maintaining strong bones that support the leg muscles. Additionally, it has natural anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce swelling in joints, allowing smoother movement. Imagine reaching for a stair rail less frequently, or standing from a chair without hesitation. These are the subtle but profound changes this food can help produce. Moving on to the fourth food. This one targets endurance. Strong muscles are crucial, but without stamina, your legs fatigue quickly and movement becomes hesitant. This food contains nutrients that enhance energy production at the cellular level. Within each muscle cell are mitochondria, tiny energy factories. As we age, mitochondrial efficiency declines, making legs tire faster. By including this food, you fuel these cellular engines, so your muscles sustain activity longer. Walks become easier, short hikes less exhausting, and the sense of heaviness in your calves diminishes. It's remarkable how the right nutrients can influence energy levels in a way you can feel almost immediately. The fifth food focuses on antioxidants. While antioxidants are often associated with heart and brain health, they are equally important for muscle resilience. Over time, oxidative stress damages muscle fibers, slowing recovery and reducing strength. By consuming this food consistently, you neutralize harmful compounds, preserving muscle integrity and promoting faster repair. Seniors who integrate this regularly often notice less soreness after routine activities and more confidence in walking, standing, and climbing. It's not just about feeling strong grit. It's about protecting your muscles from hidden wear and tear that accumulates silently. Finally, the sixth food supports balance and coordination. Many people think muscle strength alone is enough. But the connection between your nervous system and muscles is just as important. This food provides nutrients that enhance nerve function, improving communication between your brain and leg muscles. When your muscles and nerves work together efficiently, balance improves, reaction time sharpens, and the risk of minor falls decreases. Seniors who include this food in their routine report feeling more stable on uneven ground, navigating stairs with confidence, and moving without hesitation. It's the final piece in a comprehensive approach to leg strength. By combining these 6 foods in your daily meals, you're targeting every aspect of leg health: circulation, protein synthesis, joint integrity, endurance, oxidative protection, and neuromuscular coordination. All receive the support they need to maintain or rebuild strength. The result is not only stronger legs, but enhanced independence and quality of life. Each step you take becomes easier, each movement more confident, and each day less restricted by fear of weakness or falls. You may be wondering, how do I integrate these foods into my daily routine without complicated diets? The answer is simplicity. Each of these foods can be incorporated into meals you already enjoy. One may become part of breakfast, another added to a salad at lunch, and a third included in dinner or a healthy snack before bed. The key is consistency, not quantity. Even small, regular portions can make a difference over time. When combined with light, regular movements, simple walks, gentle stretching, or standing exercises, these foods become a powerful tool for preserving strength and mobility. Remember, leg weakness doesn't appear overnight, and strengthening them doesn't require drastic measures. It's about consistent choices that provide your muscles with what they need to thrive. Every time you include these 6 foods, you're investing in your ability to walk, climb, and stand with confidence. You're actively protecting your independence and reducing your risk of injury. You're telling your body that it matters, and that even after 60, growth and strength are still possible. The journey to stronger legs isn't just about avoiding problems, it's about reclaiming freedom. Strong legs mean you can play with grandchildren, tend to your garden, walk your favorite paths, and move through life without fear. By focusing on these foods, you're equipping your body with tools to counteract the natural decline that comes with age. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a sustainable, practical approach that integrates seamlessly into daily life, providing long-term benefits that compound over months and years. As you begin incorporating these foods, pay attention to how your legs feel. Notice the difference in energy, stability, and confidence. Even small changes are a sign that your muscles are responding. Pair this with light activity, and you'll amplify results. Over time, these simple, intentional choices build resilience, helping you maintain mobility and independence well into the later decades of life. Finally, remember that leg strength is more than a physical goal. It's a symbol of autonomy. The ability to stand, walk, and move freely directly impacts your quality of life. By prioritizing these 6 foods, you're making a choice for continued freedom, safety, and vitality. Strengthening your legs isn't just about the present moment. It's about creating a future where you move confidently, live actively, and enjoy every day without limitations. If you want to take this even further, I encourage you to watch my video on the morning routine that reverses muscle loss in seniors. Combining these nutritional strategies with targeted, gentle morning movements can dramatically accelerate your results. Your legs, Your independence and your confidence deserve this investment. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll feel the difference.